Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, DJI MIC 2, and now I'm gonna show you how to find and how to use presets for your camera. To do that, firstly, you need to open the control panel by swiping from up to down, find your receiver settings and click on it, scroll right and find recommended camera settings. Find your brand, choose Panasonic in my case. You of course need to choose your camera brand. I have Panasonic and I have GH5. Click on it and cool, go back. Now you use settings for Panasonic. I use settings for Panasonic GH5. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.